everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. If you're a veteran of our videos, you'll probably remember this car. I actually sold this to a customer in the spring. We just actually traded it back in on a 67 GTX, but great car. He put 500 miles on it this summer, cruising it to the car shows. When I originally bought this car, matter of fact, it had 30 miles on it. I bought it from a buddy of ours, Chris, out of Alabama, owns DAG Restorations, did a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration of this car. Gorgeous car. It's finished in Hugger Orange. It's got the black vinyl top, the black Super Sport stripes, 20-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a healthy 468 cubic inch big block in it with a skip white performance rotating assembly, 4-speed manual trans. Pretty car, guys. Car's just got a killer look. Love the color combo. And it's got some horsepower, guys. If you're looking for something that'll run, I think you'll dig this car. It's got the cowl hood. This car's got a great look to it. New bumpers. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got the four-wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Love the wheel and tire package on it. Again, this is a skip white performance rotating assembly in a 454 that's punched out to a 468, 4-speed manual trans. It's got a comp cam. You can see the aluminum intake. It's got headers, billet, valve covers, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, and it runs, guys. Car's detailed up really nice. Pretty car. And the only reason he traded it in, guys, this car runs, and he wanted something his wife could drive, so he wanted an automatic. So kind of hangs around the shop a little bit. I think he likes some. Leroy and I are both into Mopars, and I think we talked him into a Mopar. New door handles. Again, the car's only got 500 miles on it, guys. When I bought it, it had 30. Pretty car though, man. When you look in there at those cracks and crevices on this car, it's nice. Bucket seats, console, sports steering wheel. It's got the Hurst shifter. 543 now on the odometer. Factory tach and gauge car. The clock works. I can't remember if the radio works. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 342 limited slip rear end. Factory jack with a spare. There's your nozzle. It's got air shocks on the rear. So you can raise it and lower it as you'd like. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Just a pretty car, guys. Really, the car has not changed a bit. In fact, I used the old photos. I cheated a little bit. I used the old photos on it. It's gorgeous underneath. Rear sway bar. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I have bought a ton of cars. Little stone peck right there. Trying as fast as we can to get stuff advertised, guys. I like to do it myself, man. I like doing the videos myself. There's only about 4 of us here full-time, guys. So it takes us a little bit of time to get stuff done. Dash is in great shape. Those gauges are really nice. That's definitely been redone. Here said Jay set the parking brake, it works. It's got a comp cam in it, steel crank. And this car scoots, guys. I'm gonna have you do it. It's a little easier trying to do it one-handed. Tach works. Looks like your amp gauge is working, fuel gauge works, oil pressure's down there, and temp is down there. Have you rev it, Jason, to see the tach working. Parking brake does work, guys. Listen to that cam. No, I don't think the heater's not hooked up. No on the radio. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook. We've also just added an Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. It's a bad ride. Have a great day, guys.